Ticket number 591, Miss Boastful. Ticket number 591, Miss Boastful.
Hey, how you doing? Those are some lovely earrings. They're not as big as my diamonds, but they're beautiful. Hey, how you doing? That's a nice camera. Oh, but it's not as big as mine. We'll have to let you borrow it sometime. That's a lovely brooch. It's not as big as mine.
Ticket number 592, Mrs. Big Butts. Ticket number 592, Mrs. Big Butts.
Oh, yes, here I come, because I got my money. You want some money, girl? You still need some money. You want some money? Well, get your car today. You still need a car. Oh, yes, you do. Got my money, got my ticket, got my money. Got my gonna slide down, let the money in.
Ticket number 593, Mrs. Faker. Ticket number 593, Mrs. Faker.
Hey, my brother, what's going on? I like that outfit you got on. You got it from Kmart, though. Hey, how you doing, sister? I like that hat you got on. She got it. It's from the 70s, y'all. Hey, my brother, you got it going on. He ain't got it going on, y'all. Don't let him fool you.
Ticket number 594, the Snodworth Sisters. Ticket number 594, the Snodworth Sisters.
Come on, sister. Come on. Come on, take this tray. Hey, how you doing? Give me a call. Give me a call. I hope she don't call me. I hope she forget, because I don't want to be bothering none of these folks up in the air. Hello, how you doing?
Be down here. I told you we should go up there, Buckhead.
That's right, Buckhead.
That-
That's where we need to go. That's more our style. That's more our class. That's more our class. Buckhead. That's where we're going to go. Excuse me here. That's my spot. Pull down, please. Pull down. It's going to be all right.
Ticket number 595, Mrs. Bling Bling. Ticket number 595, Mrs. Bling Bling.
Oh, that's it coming.
I saw you in church Sunday, but it's all right. Meet me at Pips. Hey, Poppy, thank you. What's happening? Diamonds and pearls. A girl's best friend. Is it really real? I got a bunch of haters, let me tell you now.
Okay, you might want some money. You want some money? Go buy you some. There you go. Go buy you some.
Ticket number 596, Mrs. Plentyroot. Ticket number 596, Mrs. Plentyroot.
Oh, here she comes.
I ain't mad at you. John. Y'all laughing at?
Ticket number 597, Mrs. Selfishness. Ticket number 597.
Got my ticket for this glory train. Going on down here, get on this train to glory. How you doing, girl? You doing fine? Girl, I'm so sorry to hear about your flood. You get lost. What? You want to come stay where? Baby, you can't stay with me. I ain't got but 8 bedrooms for me and my boy. You can't stay there. I'm sorry about that. You doing fine? You want to take my picture? Good, let me pose for you. Yes. You want to borrow what? No, baby, I ain't got no clothes for you. I'm sorry about that. I can't. Then you trying to be a photographer. Now ain't that about nothing. You think you gonna work for me? I heard your family steal. I ain't got no time. Stop standing right here. Baby, you roll that thing out my way. You ain't got no business riding with us.
Ticket number 598, Mrs. Blabbermouth. Ticket number 598, Mrs. Blabbermouth.
I got something to tell you in a minute. How y'all doing? That's so good to see y'all. Girl, I seen that suit at Walmart. Don't play. Hi. I know. Hey, people. Wait a minute. I forgot to tell you. Look him. Them people over there. They ain't getting on the train. They don't know I know yet. See, I talk to people. They tell me things and I tell other people.
I want you to have your seat. Get your seat, girl. I know your man. She wouldn't move for me.
Ticket number 599, Mrs. Know-It-All. Ticket number 599.
Hey, sweet. Hey, girl, you know I know it all. Just call me. I'll tell you. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. That's what I needed. Thank you. Thank you very much. Hey. Now, you don't know it. Hey, what you heard last time? Because you know we heard it. Because you know where we got it from. Realm Walker.
Realm Walker.
Move her out the way. Because she had been on our seat. She on our seat.
You don't know that?
It's the glory train. She quiet.
Okay. Welcome, passengers. Please enjoy your journey.
Thank you.
Good evening, ladies. Do you know what your final destination is? It is the Holy City. And what a vision of splendor it will be. Many of you have asked, when is this train leaving the station? You see, this train is only for the pure in heart. They shall see God.
Where's that lady anyway?
I'm his good and faithful servant. I received my ticket in the mail.
Ladies, no need to complain. We will clear up all the discrepancies about the tickets in a few minutes. I have just received a copy of your deeds from heaven, and we will be reviewing them shortly. This is only a formality, you know, the terms and the conditions of this trip. As your name is called, please step forward. Ticket number 591, Mrs. Boastful.
I see you on the train.
Mrs. Boastful,
Yes.
you have been blessed with a fine home.
Oh, yes, it's lovely. Yes,
However, when your sister needed refuge, you turned her away. You were blessed with a fine car.
Yes.
However, you refused to give my servant a ride. Depart from me.
No, she can have the
I
house.
know you not.
No. No.
Ticket number 592, Mrs. Big Bucks. Ticket number 592, Mrs. Big Bucks.